In today's video, I will walk you through how to bulk download attachments in Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for an extension like Cloud HQ. Click Add to Chrome. Next, open Gmail and use the search bar to filter your emails. For example, type has:attachment to find recent emails with files. Open the extension panel in your Gmail interface.
Then, choose your destination folder, like Google Drive, Dropbox, or a direct download to your computer, and click Start Conversion. In just a few seconds, all matching files will download cleanly into a single folder, bypassing the single-click headache entirely. Another way is to use a built-in tool called Google Takeout. First, go to takeout.google.com and log into your Google account. Click Deselect All at the top, then scroll down and check the box next to Mail. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Next Step. Choose your delivery method, like receiving a download link via email, and select how often you want it. Click Create Export. Google will package all your emails and attachments into a downloadable zip file. Depending on your inbox size, this might take a few hours, but it requires zero manual effort. And there you have it. If this video saved you time, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what Gmail trick you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.